Can your fridge decide your diet? Welcome back, foodies and tech lovers. Last time, we looked into whether our smartphones could predict our future. Today, we're back in the kitchen to ask, can your fridge decide your diet? Let's see if our cold storage has turned into a diet guru. From the icebox to the smart fridge, our kitchens have seen some cool upgrades. But has your fridge become so smart that it's now dictating your diet? Today's fridges can track your food, suggest recipes, and even order groceries. But can they really decide what's best for your health or your taste buds? Let's set up a challenge. Your fridge might suggest a salad, but can it understand your craving for pizza? It can tell you when you're out of milk, but can it know when you need comfort food? On one side, we have the fridge, with its nutritional data, health algorithms, and diet plans. On the other, you with your taste preferences, dietary needs, and the joy of culinary freedom. Who's the better dietitian? So who's the real foodie? While your fridge might suggest healthy options, you're the one with the palate, the cultural food traditions, and the ability to enjoy a meal. Your fridge might suggest, but you're the one who decides. Think your fridge has decided your diet? Share your story in the comments. Did it suggest something you never knew you liked, or did you outsmart it with your food choices? Remember, while your fridge might offer advice, you're the one who savors the meal. Subscribe for more tech tales, and let's keep questioning if our gadgets are really controlling our diets. Until next time, keep your tech in check and your diet in your hands. Thanks for dining with us. If you found this fridge diet dilemma delicious, hit that like button, share with someone who loves their smart fridge, and don't forget to subscribe for more tech mysteries. Next time we might explore, can your fitness tracker outrun you?